Welcome. In front of me is a General Mobile GM8 Go, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove screen lock. So let me just lock the device and you will see that there is a screen lock. So we'll proceed basically from this point. So let's assume that you can't get to the phone and you want to remove it. You would begin by holding the power key and then select just power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, hold both of those keys at the same time. And we should be in the boot mode. So from here, you will use only volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm. And with that in mind, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. So using volume up, you will select it and then confirm it with volume down like so. Then the next thing we should see is the Android with no command, which there it is. So to get past this, all you need to do is hold the power key and tap volume up once. So I'm gonna hold power and tap, as you can see. So we're now in the recovery mode. From here, you will use both of the keys, so volume up and volume down to navigate, as you can see now. And you can only use basically the physical buttons. Touchscreen doesn't work in this mode. So let's select wipe data factory reset, and once it's selected with the blue line, you want to confirm it with power key like so. And I'm not sure if this is some bug for this phone or not, but this normally shouldn't pop up. So if it does, you want to basically do this again like we did previously, which is hold power key and tap volume up once like so, and then try to confirm it again with the power key like this. Then select again yes using volume keys and then confirm it with power. You get a formatting data and then data wipe complete with Reboot System. Now that should be selected by default once the process is finished. So all you really need to do now is press power key and the system will reboot while continuing the process in the background. It might take a little bit longer than it normally does for the phone to turn on, and once it is, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. So I'm gonna go through the setup process fairly quickly to not waste time, skipping majority of the steps. So let's just skip this, continue. And as you can see, we're now on the home screen. And as you can see, now if we lock the device and unlock it, there is no more lock screen. I just straight up swipe up and it's unlocked. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.